Now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
How cool is that, right? Hey, before we put this storm into our rearview mirror, I wanted to show you just a sample of some totals that came in across the region that were kind of impressive. Harrisville tops our jackpot in Rhode Island with 4.5 inches. We expected north and west in that corner where Harrisville is to be our highest totals, and that is indeed what happened. In North Smithfield, 4.2. Coventry, 4, right on the button. In North Kingstown, 3.4 at the airport. North Kingstown, 3.8 at the airport, 3.4. And in Rehoboth, Bristol County, Mass came actually in with lower totals because you were susceptible to this northeasterly inflow that wanted to eat away at the snow as it was developing. And we saw 2.5 inches in Rehoboth as a result. So goodbye, storm. Until next time. We have this really cool peachy sky going on right now as our view over the bay in Providence is just really lovely. And the sky is absolutely clear. We are expecting temperatures to drop off from where we are right now in the lower 30s for most areas. But this is only part of what it feels like outside, because not only do we have temperatures right around 30 degrees, we've got this wind moving in from the north and northwest between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Southeastern Mass has been seeing wind gusts near 30 miles per hour. And that is making a huge impact in terms of what it feels like. So if you're going out this hour, in the 4 o'clock hour, it feels like 21 in Providence. It feels like 23 in Newport, 27 in Westerly, 22 in Smithfield. You get the idea. And this is just going to become colder as temperatures drop, but winds will still be up a little bit as we go through the overnight. So looking ahead to tomorrow morning's wind chill, when you're getting ready to leave, we're looking at temperatures that are going to feel like the teens, but this isn't as cold as it's going to feel. In fact, as we look ahead to Wednesday, that's when we're looking for wind chills in the morning to feel even colder. So we could start the day with wind chills in Smithfield of 8. 10 is what it will likely feel like in Providence on Wednesday morning. But it's a 2-day deal. Once we get past Wednesday, temperatures do come up and we get to shake loose that wind chill factor. So satellite and radar checking clear, not a whole lot going on. High pressure is back in control. It's situated right here. And as the air is going around the high in a clockwise manner, it is bringing in air from the north. That northerly wind is, of course, cooler. It's coming in right from the heart of Canada. And that's why we have such below average temps in place now. But it's also bringing in some really dry air. So even though, yes, we will freeze anything that's left liquid from today's melting, we're not expected to scrape anything because we don't have a whole lot of moisture available. So tomorrow morning's process will be just really warming up the car, not having to do any other maintenance than that. High pressure in charge through Tuesday, and then we turn our attention to the west. This is going to be our next weather maker, and it will be coming in on Thursday. And it does lead with this warm front right here, which means we're looking at rain, not snow with this one, even with precipitation happens during the overnight. So with Thursday, again, we're looking at rain here. We may see some mixing in areas north and west as we start to bring in some cooler air to the higher elevations. But here, we're looking at it as a rain deal. So the snow that we had looks to be the only snow that we're going to see for the next 7 days. So a nice low maintenance December week. For tonight, clear and cold. Lows will be dropping to near 21, and tomorrow's highs will be topping out near 41. That's about 5 degrees cooler than average if you were keeping track at home. Thursday, blend of sun and clouds leading into rain that will be moving in for Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, looking to be a trio of